This fire is so interesting. We started a fire. Oh, okay. Starting a fire with the wood. Hey, hotcakes! Hotcakes! Ha!
Oh God.
What are you even doing? This is how you cook 101. We just had Taco Bell because I kept saying all day that I wanted tacos. Right? I just wanted tacos all day.
That's right.
You have to spray this stuff, whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called.
On one stick, I want to see.
I'm not a pro.
Like, okay, get up.
Make s'mores. I call them s'mores. I know they're called s'mores. I call them s'mores. It's actually starting, guys. Okay, believe me. It's starting right there. It's starting. Hey there. You bored? Okay.
We try to light it like on top and then start.
We just collected a lot of Kindle and yeah. So, don't. Yeah, use your Popsy box. Use the pen. Hotcakes, you know what's up. This is weird.
No more.
This is so weird. Light it up, up, light it up, light it up. Take it, hotcakes! On fire! Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. What the heck?
So what?
Hey, while we're waiting, hotcakes, let's go look in the woods for some more cicadas. Let's go. This is privacy. Okay, let's go. Huh. Oh my gosh, this is going to be hot cicada cakes. Is it dead? No. Hot cicada cakes. H-I. I is the next letter.
Okay.
Okay, I is the next letter. We're only going to go up to I because, you know, we'll make more videos.
No.
Yeah, because I really want to see that fire. I know, but for like right now. Okay.
Wait, you have to try to get a higher because tomorrow we leave, so.
Yeah, tomorrow we do leave. But I challenge all y'all to do this challenge. The cicadas A through Z.
You have to be camping.
You have to be somewhere where there's a bunch of cicadas.
Yeah, you have to be there for 2 days because that's where we are.
Yeah, but basically it's kind of a challenge.
We started the day early.
We started. Yeah. I don't see anything. We're not gonna look too deep. I don't think there's much. So I think we're gonna just go back and wait for the fire. I mean, we found hot cicada cakes, so I guess that's good enough. Come on, hotcakes. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry, hot cicada cakes. Wait, let's have camping names. Hot cicada cakes, wildcat. Yes, hot cicada cakes and wildcat. Oh my gosh. What?
It's called I'm Wildcat.
Oh.
From Venice Gaming.
How about wild tiger cat? I don't know. I don't really know.
Boy.
Okay. Get your booty. Come on, dude. We need to work together. Ow. Come on, dude.
Oh.
Come over here. Okay. Let's go back. Y'all. Okay.
How's the video?
How's the fire going, y'all? How's the fire going? Oh, it's not going. What are we doing?
What?
This is nice. That's what we got going.
Not gonna work. You like your corn chip? Right behind you, buddy, over that chair.
Corn chip. Use those.
Where's my tail?
Will that even work?
Oh yeah.
Mm. Apparently the corn chips work. I don't. Pretty cool, I guess. He's lighting corn chips. How does... If it does work, though, it's pretty cool. Well, anyway, guys, I think we're going to end episode and actually vlog when it's working. So, till then, I will see you later. Bye.
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 Tacos, bye.
Tacos, bye.